not looking. I can see the indicators. I already know damn well. I'm covering my eyes.
Oh hell yeah!
I'm going to Zillow.
Your eyelids are transparent.
No. I'm using my hands.
Wait, can you guys hear me?
Your
Yeah.
hands are also transparent.
It's a different building. It's next to Crescent Hall, but it's a different building.
Care.
Hello?
It'll be the same.
Yeah, we can hear you. Hello?
Oh hell yeah! What?
Hello?
Oh. Hi.
Oh man, I like this Rontia.
Adam, are you ready to see if this...
Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
Elevator P3.
And
The Schindler HT.
oh hell no! Oh hell!
I don't trust you. I'm thinking it's fake.
Oh damn! It didn't work.
No, he crashed.
What? Huh?
I don't think I've seen this version of Schindler HT before.
Oh hell no, bro! That is a cursed creation.
I'm not taking this, bro. Wait, let me press it. Wait, let me try something below. What the hell?
Oh god.
Should we try? Let's ride one more time.
Ooh, Amway. What in the foolery is... They did not... Okay, we don't talk about the image distortion, but like, what in the hell happened here? The logistics of the logics have disappeared. The Logitech. Also, I had an Amway.
I'll look if you look to see the Schindler HT. Ah, okay.
What was the second one?
I'll look if you look.
Oh, look when you look. Wait, let me search the whole house.
That's not Amway.
When you look.
That's not Amway, Adam. That's M Hart.
I said M Hart. Or that's
You
Amway.
said Amway.
I caught you in 4K. I caught you in 4K.
I caught you at 1080-60.
Well, I looked and I
You
confirmed
guys
it.
are like dementing me. With your like.
Yeah, because it's actually a Schindler HT. I get Dimension 2.
Okay, what the hell is this?
I forgot. I'm not wasting my time anymore.